In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email multiple pictures in the same email using Gmail. This is a handy skill, especially when you want to share photos from an event, a trip, or simply pictures you love with friends, family, or colleagues. So grab your device and let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser. Most of us are familiar with Chrome, but any browser like Firefox, Safari, or Edge will work just fine. Go to the Google homepage. I'm sure you have that bookmarked, but if not, just type Google into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account. You'll spot the profile icon on the top right corner where you can either sign in or confirm that you're already logged in. Now let's head over to Gmail. You can do this by clicking the grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps icon, which is located near your profile picture on the upper right. From the menu that appears, click on Gmail, and this will take you to your inbox. If you're using the Gmail app on your phone or tablet, open that instead. With your inbox in view, look towards the top left and find the Compose button. Give that a click and a new email window will pop up. Here, you will enter the details of your email. In the To field, type in the email address of the person you want to send the pictures to. Don't forget you can add multiple email addresses if it's a group message. Just separate them with commas. Then fill out the subject line to give the recipient an idea of what the email is about. Something like photos from the weekend works great. Now on to the important part, attaching those pictures. In the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window, look for the paperclip icon. Clicking on this lets you access your computer's file explorer where your photos are stored. Navigate through your folders until you locate the pictures you'd like to send. To select multiple photos, hold down the Control key while clicking on each file you want. On a Mac, the Command key does the trick. Once selected, click Open to attach them to your email. You should see these files populating the bottom of your email window. If this is a large batch of photos, you might notice they're taking a moment to upload. That's normal. Just give it some time. Once uploaded, you can add a quick message in the body of your email. Something simple like, "Here are the pictures from our day at the park," will suffice. Finally, double-check everything, and when you're ready, hit Send. Your pictures are now on their way to your recipient. And there you have it, a simple and quick process to email multiple pictures using Gmail. Hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.